Trump holds off secondary sanctions for China. Claims India no longer buying Russian oil. India welcomes Trump-Putin summit progress on Ukraine. Awaits clarity on tariffs. India on Saturday welcomed the summit between US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin in Alaska and appreciated the progress made on the path to ending the Ukraine conflict. Although the meeting ended without any concrete announcement, Ukraine President Zelensky indicated that it would lead to a trilateral summit, including him soon. While the cordial nature of the summit would mean some relief for India, which faces 50% tariffs on its export to the US, including 25% penalty tariff for the import of Russian oil, Mr. Trump did not make a categorical statement that this would now be reconsidered. In a statement, the Ministry of External Affairs Minister said, "The US and Russian President leadership in the pursuit of peace is highly commendable. The way forward can only be through dialogue and diplomacy. The world wants to see an early end to the conflict in Ukraine." However, the ministry declined to comment on Mr. Trump's claims that India had stopped being oil client for Russia. Mr. Trump also repeated earlier comments which India had denied on its role in mediating the India-Pakistan ceasefire in May this year. In an interview to US Fox News after the talks, Mr. Trump said that he would consider the question of the penalty tariffs on Russian oil 2 or 3 weeks, possibly indicating the August 27 deadline. Pass for India without an implementation of punitive 25% tariff over and above the 25% reciprocal tariffs. When asked specifically about tariffs on China, which imports even more oil than India, Mr. Trump said, "Because of what happened today, I think I don't have to think about that now." Speaking earlier, Mr. Trump claimed that India had already agreed to drop purchases of Russian oil. Indian oil refining public sector undertakings, however, have continued to purchase up to 2 million barrels per day of Russian oil and said that they had no instructions from the government to buy or not to buy from Russia, even after the US tariffs were announced. Ahead of the Trump-Putin talks, which the ministry had welcomed and endorsed, officials were understood to be watching the developments in Alaska for separate indicators, whether the US would lift objections to India's purchase of Russian oil and whether the US president would roll back his tariff. A meeting of Indian and the US trade negotiators set for August 25 is also due to be confirmed. The next few days may offer clarity on the future of the 50% tariff on India's export to the US. Thank you.